So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. If you didn't watch part 1 of this video, I would suggest you to go right now and watch part 1 because this one it's a continuity of part 1. If you wanna see how to create the base support for the lifetime 10 by 8 shed, you can go ahead and to the description below, click on the link. You will be able to see the part 1. So far guys, I'm showing you exactly how to assemble this beautiful shed. You will see the details. Of course it came with a manual, you can follow the manual, but the simplicity of the video gonna help you to see how to assemble this beautiful shed in few steps. Shouldn't take too long. Like I said before in the other video, that's a 1 day job. So if you have 2 people, you can do it in a couple hours and then you're all good to go. So it's important to verify if the hardware is in the box. You never know, they may miss some stuff. It's important to check every single hardware and make sure you have everything in the box. And important to also line up everything, similar pieces like that. You will know, like for each piece you have the exact number they said in the box or the manual. So guys, thanks for watching. It's pretty simple. As I said at the beginning, following the manual it's quite simple as well, but as you can see, in 2 days we build the concrete, the stone base, and also install that beautiful shed. If you like this video, guys, please comment. It's important for me to know how you think, and would you do this in a different way. Share your thoughts, let me know how do you see that finish. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe, just to be part of that beautiful growing family. And I will catch you tomorrow, because I put another video tomorrow for sure. So stay tuned, guys, share this video, and again, please subscribe and be part of this family. We'll catch you later.